Hi, this is James. I am attempting to repair this Audiothingies P6, a virtual synthesizer. My friend at work gave it to me, something to play with over quarantine. And so he said it doesn't work and he wasn't sure. He thought it was something in here. It's been a few years since he used it. So this is a synthesizer. There's an LCD, volume, and then a bunch of control knobs on it. And on the back, you've got MIDI in and out, you've got audio right and left output, and then it's got these daughter boards for an ARM processor. There's the chip. This is the DAC that it uses for making the output sound, and it's got a 5-volt and a 3-volt regulator on it. And we can see when I turn it back over here, I started looking around. These are rotary encoders. There's a series of these 3 chips, which are shift registers. And then this is just a multiplexed I/O that they're using to run the LEDs. But these shift registers are reading 2 encoders each and a couple of buttons each. And when I started looking around, I found some issues with this one, just in how it talks with this chip here, the shift register. So I'm sure that the chip is probably fine, but there was definitely an issue here. And when I started looking around, you can see where he's attempted a repair in there. It has not gone well, and the bottom is all dug up. I found what I originally thought was a bodge wire. This wire here, it was stuck inside of here between the resistor network and this encoder wheel, which is not where it goes according to the schematic. And you can see it was actually burned a line in there from a solder job. So I think all that I have to do now is reconnect these wires. So this pin is going to come over to switch 3, and then the next 2 pins I have to connect in over here for these 2 pins, which are the A and the B out of the encoder. And as far as I can tell, that should repair it. And I think I'm going to do most of the fixes on the back here, where you can see it's been all dug out there. And he ended up cutting the traces on the circuit board when he was digging in there, I think, or someone did. So